Hello, hello, hello everyone. Welcome back to another video. This one is going to be an unboxing for Light Elegance hard gel. It was the fall 2019 collection, I believe. Cozy Up to Fall, I think it was called. I also got the heart-shaped box collection for Valentine's Day. I don't think you can get either one of those anymore, unfortunately. But if you have them, you know. If you know, you know. All right, you guys, well, let me know what you think. Let me know what colors you like best in the comments below. And on this one, I'm just going to sit back and let you vibe out to the music. So, I opened a couple yesterday to see the colors. This is Rain, Rain, Go Away. And I might combine all these unboxing into one. I'll put pictures as well. Oh, that's pretty. I don't know if you guys can see these. I bought a ring light, but I haven't set it up yet on my desk. I needed a silver like this for my collection too. Oh, that's pretty. Very pretty, like nude. I don't even know how to describe this. Oh, let me know. All right, and London Fog. It's the name of jackets my dad used to buy. I'll just take it off, I guess. Curious, do you guys keep your foil topper things, like the seal part? Do you keep that on or do you take it off? I was keeping mine on, but then I tend to notice that, I don't know, but it seemed like they spilled more with it on, and somebody told me that they took theirs off and it leaked out less. But let me know in the comments below, do you take those off or leave them on. And also I've heard people just say to poke a hole in them and dip your brush in it, but I've never tried that. So let me know below. And I also bought this. I used this already. It's on my fingers now. Very pretty. I hope you guys can hear me. It's called Sophia. My instructor said she's gone through like 4 of these pots because it's so popular. I'll finally put that away. Unboxing yesterday, and I thought this was part of my first AliExpress order, but it actually was from Light Elegance. So I got their Valentine's Day set, and I got fine glitter wine because they were on sale. So let's start with this fine glitter wine. Actually, this might be a lot like the Nippy. So let's see. Again, I'll take a picture so you can see them too. I want to compare these real quick. Oh, very different. Nice to know. This is like a deep purplish brown, almost. Very pretty color. And if you're not careful, backs come in handy, so I always keep them. This I'm so excited for. are really crammed in there. Bouquet Day. This is for Valentine's Day. And heart-shaped box. Love that name. Love Nirvana. Look what my teacher came by and gave me. Yay! These little ball ones are so good. She's gonna put me to work for that. Come on. Oh, wow. Wow. That is beautiful. Wow. That is so pretty. I was not expecting that at all. Okay. Save the best for last, right? Here's the reveal. If I can get it open. Oh, that's pretty. Wow, that's pretty. That's beautiful. Alright guys, that is my Light Elegance. That is my Light Elegance haul. Alright guys, if you made it this far, you made it through the entire video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you got something out of it. If you have any questions, feel free to comment them below. If you want daily content, follow me on my Instagram, Nails by BUNNYBEAR. I have a TikTok under the same name. But thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate that. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you want to see next time. If you got something out of it, consider hitting that subscribe button for me. And if you want to know when I'm posting videos, make sure to click that bell for notifications. Thank you guys so much and stay safe.